There's a version of your life that already exists in the present. It is not in the future. It is right now in this room, vibrating at frequency that you can't perceive it yet. Some people think manifestation is about bringing something to them. But what if I told you it's actually about removing the blindfold from your eyes? Yes, this is the truth. And we are going to understand it very scientifically. And I will show you some examples here. Okay, so let's start the video. The ghost in your reality. To understand this, we have to talk about something complex, the quantum observer observer effect. Okay, so let's talk about it. In the physics, the particles, let's take an example. This is a particles. The particle is not change its position until it's observed. Means in a subatomic world, there's a electron, proton, and they are not in the state of solid. They are in the state of superposition. What does this mean? Superposition. Let's talk about it also. Superposition. Okay. So superposition is like they are everywhere and they are nowhere. What does it mean? Yes, they exist in a superposition. They are everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Your life is exactly the same until you change your internal observer. Universe keeps giving you the same particles, like same income, same job, same heartbreaks. So when particle observe, it's seen, then it create the reality. Okay, let's take an example. This is a table, let's suppose. Okay, the particles in the table is moving. If we are not seeing it, it will not be here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everything is exist because of we are seeing, we are watching it, we are observing it. If on the planet every human disappear, then the every object will be disappear, because object create because of the observer, because of the human is watching, because of our eyes. Do you understand it? Okay. Okay, so now let's talk about a filter in our brain called RAS. Okay, let's suppose this is our brain and this is a filter, RAS, Reticular Activating System. This is very powerful filter in our brain and the universe. Every second we have bombarded with the billions of thoughts, but the RAS filters with 99% of it. So if your internal story is I am struggling, I am broke, then your RAS will literally blinds you. People, money is standing in front of you, but you can't see it. You are not unlucky. You are just biologically programmed to be not see the success. Okay, so you should understand the power of your brain, the power of your thoughts. It is very important. In the end of the video, I want to share my story. In the few months ago, I was feel very stuck. I was doing many manifestation, I was doing affirmation, I was doing vision boards, but nothing worked, because I was trying to build a new house on a rotten old foundation. So I had stopped manifestation and start being the person who had it. I stopped looking for how and started focusing on the who. And that's when the ghost in my reality becomes solid. So, this was my experience and I want to share it with you guys. So, that's it for the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.